Hello everyone, today I will show you how to order pages for booklet print using PDF-XChange Editor. Open your PDF file and select page organize option already selected. Now select merge pages option and this page size you can choose page orientation, you can make it landscape, and this page margin also you can change the bottom margin, top margin, and this page you can make all of these pages booklet. I'll make accessory page. I'll make last 8 page, 11 to 18, and also I'll make this page reverse order. See this, and select here booklet, also already selected. Now select book option and you can make it right bind. I'll make it right bind and remove source page after margining and see this review. Now finally select OK and see this our last 8 page now binding. Yeah, and finally select this file option, save or save as a PDF file. Thank you for watching. Subscribe, like, share and comments.